Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust the handbrake on a Honda CRV. First, gather your basic tools, including a wrench set and a jack. Ensure your vehicle is parked on a flat, stable surface. Then, safely lift the rear of your CRV and secure it with jack stands. This preparation is crucial for your safety and the success of the adjustment process. Next, you'll need to access the handbrake cable. Carefully remove the center console cover to expose the handbrake mechanism. You will see the adjustment nut and a lock nut on the cable. Take a moment to observe their current positions. This step allows you to reach the components necessary for tightening or loosening the handbrake tension effectively. Now let's make the adjustment. Use a wrench to loosen the lock nut first. Then, slowly tighten the adjustment nut, turning it clockwise a few turns at a time. After each adjustment, test the handbrake lever. It should engage firmly within 5 to 7 clicks. Avoid over-tightening, as this can cause premature wear on your brake components. Once you're satisfied with the tension, tighten the lock nut to secure the adjustment. Reassemble the center console, ensuring all parts are fitted correctly. Finally, test the handbrake on a slight incline to confirm it holds the vehicle securely and releases completely. This ensures your handbrake is both safe and effective. Also, remember to check the description for a great deal on a new Kindle Paperwhite and other helpful resources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.